Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Can you soar above life's storms like an eagle? Did you know that eagles can sense a storm before it arrives? This is very interesting. When a storm is coming, the eagle does not run away. The eagle is brave. Instead of flying away, it flies to a high place and waits. As the strong winds blow, the eagle spreads its big, strong wings. The wind lifts it up high into the sky. Soon, the eagle is flying above the storm. It looks down at the storm below. While the storm rages and rumbles below, the eagle soars peacefully above it. It is calm and free. The eagle does not fight the storm. It does not try to escape from it. Instead, it uses the power of the storm to rise higher and higher. This is an amazing way to look at things. Life is the same as the eagle. We all face storms in our lives. These storms are difficult times. They can be problems or challenges, like feeling sad or losing something important. But we don't have to let these storms bring us down. We can be strong, just like the eagle. So when life gets tough, be like the eagle. Face the storm, spread your wings, and rise above it. You can do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.